People's Convention on Inner Line Permit issue adopts 5 recommendations, including adopting 1951 as the base year. Minister of State for External Affairs, retired General V.K. Singh honors state freedom fighters during Yaad Karo Kurbani celebration at Moirang. And MPP warns to file a PIL if government fails to give reasons for cancellation of 2013 VPC for recruitment of police constables. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshwam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, JCILPS, today organized a public convention on the new draft bill, Manipur Regulation of Non-Local People Bill 2016 MRNP, proposed by the government at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School Police Lane. Senior advocate Khaidem Mani opined that the bill is made specially for the non-locals and it lacked provisions for the protection of indigenous people of the state. The name of the bill itself suggests that the bill is drafted for the non-locals entering the state. Appreciating JCILPS for organizing the public meet, Khaidem Mani said discussing the minutes of the bill thoroughly is the right step. Khaidem Mani also stressed on drafting a consensus bill by retracting some portions of the respective stands by both the government and the JCILPS. Co-convener of JCILPS, N.G. Deba, stated the bill has many flaws such as vague definition of local people, lack of provision for the punishment of those who misuse the permit, and lack of proper mechanism for the implementation of the bill. N.G. Deba also added that JCILPS can never accept 21st January 1972 as the base year. He said the roots of the issue of the demographic imbalance occurred after 1951.
Manipur Regulation of Non-Local People Act 2016. Arrival on the my basing, Kangable on the Haitaradi. Mapandegi, Ati Changa Kadorip say, I call you Sop Chabala Kadorip say, Mazika Konga Hampam, Adigi Pampam, Karachauba, Titina, Sopa the Pamnaba, Karapipana, from the Pamnaba, Imai Belna, Pirang the Pamnava, Gaina, Atuki same Saba, Adumakimakalgi Bilna. Other local people, Manipur people,
The People's Convention on ILP issue today adopted 5 recommendations. These include revising base year 1972 in the newly draft regulation 2016. During the public meet, experts opined that influx of non-indigenous people resulted after the abolition of the entry and exit permit system after 1950. Therefore, the People's Convention adopted 1951 as the base year. Opposing the title, the Manipur Regulation of Non-Local People Act 2016, experts said the title marginalized the identity of the youth's national character and identity of Manipur nation enjoyed during the kingdom period. The third recommendation is formulation of an acceptable bill for regulation of non-Manipur people with due consolidation and participation of all indigenous people. The fourth recommendation is release of former JCILPS convener Khumram Ratan. And the fifth and the last recommendation is extending full cooperation to JCILPS to translate into action people's recommendation. Minister of State for External Affairs, retired General V.K. Singh arrived in Manipur to honor the freedom fighters as part of year-long celebration Yaad Karo Kurbani. The year-long celebration was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15 August from Red Fort, New Delhi. BJP Manipur Pradesh organized the Yaad Karo Kurbani celebration at Moirang. As part of the celebration, a motorcycle rally was flagged off by Minister of State for External Affairs, retired General V.K. Singh, from BJP office at Nityapad Chuthek. 100 motorcyclists participated in the rally till Moirang. V.K. Singh also paid floral tribute at Shahid Minar, also known as Phaidapung, at BT Park. The main function of Yaad Karo Kurbani was held at INA Complex Hall, Moirang. Also attending the function were BJP North East in charge Prahlad Singh Patel, State BJP President Khetrimayum Bhavananda and others. During the function, gifts and citation were presented to family members of freedom fighters, including Moirang Koireng and Hemam Nilamani, who played a major role in the freedom struggle. Speaking during the function, Minister of State for External Affairs, retired General V.K. Singh said, "We must honor our freedom fighters by remembering their sacrifices and ideals." He also lauded the supreme sacrifices made by Manipuri people during the freedom struggle.
और ये धरती जहां पर पहली बार the tricolor was planted by Subhash Chandra Bose is important in itself, and I bow my head in reverence to all the sacrifices made by people of this place. Today, Bharatiya Janata Party has come forward with this idea कि let us remember all those people who have worked for independence of this nation.
Speaking during the function, V.K. Singh also said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has plans to connect Northeast India with Southeast Asian countries via Silchar-Jiribam National Highway, passing Moreh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos and Vietnam. He said road connectivity plans will begin in the coming 2 years.
अगले 1.5-2 साल में सिलचर जिरीबाम होते हुए नेशनल हाईवे, अच्छा नेशनल हाईवे पहुंचेगा और इम्फाल से मोरे तक भी पहुंचेगा। मोरे के आगे हम लोग इंटरनेशनल एक हाईवे बना रहे हैं जो कि म्यांमार से होता हुआ थाईलैंड चला जाएगा और थाईलैंड से लाओस और वियतनाम को कनेक्ट करेगा।
Manipur People's Party MPP today said the party will file a public interest litigation if the present government fails to give the reasons for the cancellation of the 2013 DPC for recruitment of police constables. Speaking at a press meet held at its office, party president N. Sovakiran said MPP condemns welcoming of the 18th and the first woman governor of the state, Dr. Najma Heptullah, with over 6 crore rupees scam. He warned that MPP will file PIL and submit memorandum to governor in case the reasons of the cancellation are not made public by the government. N. Sovakiran reminded that around 30,000 candidates had enrolled for the recruitment of 2,000 constable posts, and out of which 10,287 were through the physical test, written test and Viva Voice and waiting for the final results.
Her Excellency Dr. Najma Heptullah oath taking ceremony logo numitni sumbas kam sina Manipur ki governor okpase Manipur People's Party na condemn tawi police constable logo se irai laina police department na cancel tawre haina irai lan logo adubu manung da munna thirugadi mi lising kunsha dagi mi lising taraga sani marpu drese yauna ba honor pa matamda gate khara lali gate singudi physical efficiency test, written test adagi baiba bosigi lako matamda magi ritual magi procedure magi tax khar pinai taxing je kon munna pasalu matamda 6,46 crore 15 lakh and 90,000 this never say.
JC of all Manipur written test successful candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 has appealed to the government to declare their Viva Voce results by 25th of August. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, the JSC spokesperson, Mohammad Zahir Khan, strongly condemned the cabinet's decision to nullify the earlier recruitment and said the government should not abuse their power in the name of governance. JSC appealed to withdraw the cabinet's order. JSC also condemned over the Senapati district SP's unruly behavior during a rally organized at Senapati. It also condemned the police behavior during a rally in Imphal. JSC further appealed to cancel the upcoming physical test for the new recruitment, which is scheduled on 30 August at MPTC Pangai.
August ki tarik 15 pugi manungda Manipur sarkarna hojik haidoktana lairiba result ase haidok piri hairaga Manipur ki lainga ku law and order phibam phagalhanba matamda saruk yahanna bagi Manipur sarkarna sinbiwa nattaba pambai chatkhriba taragadi masida afafata thuktabagi daita Manipur sarkarna puba ngamgadoribra lisang sina Manipur da thabuk lauraga namjilaka hainabi se thadok le hairaga job ability career manghangano haibo bafam se Manipur sarkai maikei dane goina hangjaninga bafam se date 30 dagi recruitment tawgani haina tawribase lapiyu candidate singna hairba numila sida makhoi participate tawbal yawba lakpa taragadi maduda tholak afafata daita masa amadi Manipur sarkarna daita pugadamdi.
A delegation of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad AVBP state members called upon the new governor Najma Heptullah and extended a warm welcome. The ABVP members apprised the governor of the problems in education sector and particularly in Manipur University. Governor assured the members that she will look into the matter at the earliest. Villagers of Top Upokpi residing near the Laitang bridge have appealed to the authority concerned to repair the roads leading to the bridge at the earliest. The bridge connects Wangoi Assembly Constituency and Mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency. Speaking to media persons, Top Upokpi Social Union Secretary L. Birla said 400-meter-long road stretched from Top Upokpi in Wangoi Assembly Constituency and Samusang Santipur in Mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency leading to the bridge has been lying in a deplorable condition. People of the area are facing inconveniences due to the bad road. Samusang Santipur Youth Social Development Club members appealed to the authority concerned to repair the road before the inauguration of the bridge. On the other hand, locals of Top Upokpi have drew the attention of the government over the shortage of teachers in the Top Upokpi Upper Primary School. It is worth mentioning here that out of 5 teachers, 2 teachers were recently transferred to different schools.
थोंजिगी पीरिबा असंगबगी मागी लंबीगी सांगजे यामना पिकपा मरमना यामना मसिदा लैरिबा अकोइबदा लैरिबा मी अमसुंग अरापदा गाड़ी चथोक चसिनजे यामना कुंगबनिना प्रॉब्लम जे ओइरे मरम असिना खोइगी थोंग संगा द्रिङैगी ममांगजिदा खोइगी अकोइबदा लैरिबा लंबी अमसुंग मागी साइड लैरिबा बोट साइड लैरिबा लंबी सिंग से कोइलास थाजनबिरगा लंबी सिंग जे मागी खितंग नाकंदा लैरिबा खितंग पाकथोकबिरगा थोंग असि संगा बिनबगिदमक्ता हमजरी.
A discussion on the topic Contemporary Manipuri Fiction, a Critical Assessment 1990 till 2010 was held at the Manipur University Court Hall. The event was jointly organized by Sahitya Academy and Manipuri Department, Manipur University. Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge, Professor M. Dhaneshwar Singh, Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy New Delhi convener H. Bihari Singh, students and professors of Manipuri Department, research scholars and many writers took part in the event. The writers read out fictional short stories and novels as part of the technical session during the event. Deputy Commissioner Imphal East in a press release informs to all the students who have applied and are eligible for Minority Pre-Metric, Minority Post-Metric and Minority Merit Cum Means Scholarship for the year 2014-2015 and 2015-2016 but are yet to receive the mentioned scholarship may contact Nodal Officer MOBC Manipur during the office hours along with the necessary supporting documents. Students of LMS College in Dulaland staged a sit-in in the college campus in protest against the monetary demand on a lecturer. Protesting students holding various placards said monetary demand on a lecturer who is also the LMS Law College Construction Committee for the indoor stadium is unacceptable. Locals of Khabaisoi Sabar Lekai under Kurai Assembly Constituency staged a sit-in against the non-distribution of rice under National Food Security Act. Speaking to media persons, Heptagol Youth Women Committee, Khabaisoi Secretary Amirun Nisha said locals of Khabaisoi have not received the allotted rice since the month of May. She said the local MLA has been intimated about the issue but no action has been taken so far. She said that locals will boycott MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy if their share of rice is not distributed within 2 days.
Prajana Pandriba Thawong Asibu, Aikogi Kano Kendra in a Pubi MLS and Mini Pawugi Manunda, Hydiba Prajana Pandraba Thawong Singaji, Hidoraktaba Taragadi, 3x6 Nupi Lukna, Mahaki Bot Kombalak, we can boycott. Me Magi Pirati Kata Manga Ieba, Manga Ibasimon Marigi Pieba, Amagi Kakreva, Kun Mangala Pase, Moina Manga Kakraga Kuntangi and Baneba, Sequene Yaning de.
Saplings were planted at Pisum Chingamakha in view of the All Manipur Students Union MSU's upcoming Hunger Marchers Day event, which will be held on 27th of August. Today's event was organized by Kanglei Model Manipur. Kanglei Model Manipur's volunteers, members of Chingamakha CYLC Club, along with BJP State Executive Member Ngangbam Robert, planted around 100 saplings as part of the event. Speaking at the occasion, Kanglei Models Manipur's founder Nishikanta Khoisnam said the event was organized with the attempt to show the contribution of the institute in making a greener Manipur. Kanglei Models Manipur have been providing a platform for the aspiring models of the state to take up modeling as a career, and as a part of their objective, a modeling event, Monsoon Shower Model Promotion, will be held at Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre on 26th August. BJP Kisan Morcha Manipur Pradesh in a press release informs that 9 persons have been nominated as office bearers and executive members of the Kisan Morcha. The nominated members are P. Ibema Devi as Vice President, while Muhammad Najir Rahman, Thokcho Manglem Singh, Y. Biswajit Singh, Muhammad Riazuddin, K. H. Deven Singh, O. Tomcha Singh, H. Pradeep Kumar Singh and I. Sobha Singh as executive members. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Unified Academy, Kwakathil Bazaar, Airport Road.
I'm Sophia Warapon from Wangoy. My state rank list is 7th in the 2016. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers of the Unified Academy.
I'm Ramon Roma. I got 10th position. For this, I would like to thank all the teachers of Unified Academy.
I'm Sungkham Prem Kumar Singh. I stood 27th position in this 2016. I would like to give my full credit to this Unified Academy for their support.
Lengsin Birau, Thangmaiban DM College Road Talaiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna, ningthina service piriba, servicing center ki khudong chaba, amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana, irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba supizari. Ngasi maglengsin Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Thangmaiban DM College Road, Impal, Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. A one-day state-level workshop on solar pump set scheme undertaken by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy was held today at Classic Grande. The workshop is organized by National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development NABARD Manipur Regional Office. The scheme aims at increasing agricultural yield using solar pump sets by farmers. NABARD General Manager A.C. Srivastava said farmers spend huge amount of money for buying diesel to run the diesel pump set, but using solar pump sets will enable the farmers to spend very minimal amount of money and help in improving their economic conditions. A.C. Srivastava also stressed on giving awareness to farmers on the benefits of using solar pump sets and how loan can be obtained under the scheme. Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore and Chief General Manager of Reserve Bank of India, T. Housel, also, among others, attended the workshop.
In any government-sponsored schemes, it's widely open. And any person who feels that he is capable enough, having adequate capacity and skill to implement that scheme, may come forward and may approach the nearest bank for the loan. And once the loan is sanctioned and disbursed, NABARD is a channelizing agency for the subsidy. We give the subsidy as per the entitlement, depending upon 25% to 44% as per the schemes and as per the category of borrowers.
Maitai International Civic Action Network Mikan today stated that leaving Thogdam Ibocho of Khurai Chingabam Lekai after admitting him at Janims on 13 August unattended by any of his relatives is an inhuman act. Thogdam Ibocho is now undergoing treatment at a hospital with the financial assistance contributed by doctors and staff of the hospital led by Janims Director Dr. Laishram Deben. Mikan added that the organization, after thorough investigation, came to know who brought Thogdam Ibocho at the hospital and therefore urged the persons concerned to come forward and look after the aging man or else face legal action. 10th Foundation Day of Saihek Saireng Saipan Semgat Lup Saipan was held today at Manipur Press Club. As part of the observation, Lifetime Achievement Award was conferred to lyricist, writer and filmmaker Chandam Shyam Charan, Global Achiever Awardee Nomaithem Arun Kumar, was also felicitated at the observation. Songbook published by Saipan titled Nungsi Sairol was also released. The observation was attended by members of Saipan, writers and lyricists of the state. As part of the Civic Action Program, 86 Battalion Central Reserve Police Force located at Lumfield today handed over edible items to Overcommerce, a rehabilitation center located at Lumfield. The program was attended by officials of 86 Battalion and members of the Overcommerce. Speaking to Impact News, Commanding Officer of the battalion, Jayant Kumar said they are providing help to the needy as a humanitarian gesture.
We have in our neighborhood an organization, the Overcomers, who take care of the drug and alcohol addiction patients, and they work for their rehabilitation. Their chairman, Mr. L. Rajkumar, had projected some problems. This is our humanitarian gesture from this unit and its men. I want to add that since this unit is located in Manipur, we are a part of the family of Manipur, and we are always there in times of need. We need to help each other like good neighborhood, like good.
A new branch office of Manipur Tourism Development Society has been opened at Shantipur, Tinsit Road. Saplings were also planted around the new office as part of the inaugural function of the office. The road of Wanghai Ningdhem Pukri Mamang Lekai Athupam Lerak, which were lying in a deplorable condition, was made today. The roads were repaired by locals along with Lok Jan Shakti Party General Secretary Athupam Kishore Singh, who also funded the expenses for repairing the road. The locals appreciated the goodwill gesture of Athupam Kishore Singh.
Lerak manung sila leiriba praja miyam asina jina asina tawirokpa lambi si sahi ka lagi ising thumdana matam la aba matam sida na asina sokdortana buji lambi se leibak thonana nung haidana sembirakpam sabirakpa se asigi damakta koi naw subo koi gi lerak manungi miyo singna prajana thagali loinana inawgi taw thabu khunimakta mahaki matam punam mai pak pa bise wairesan.
Now some sports news. Chumthang Lairembi Kangkhut Nambol Bamdiar entered the semi-final of the 61st Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial League Cum Knockout Open Kang tournament. In the second quarter-final match played today, Chumthang Lairembi Kangkhut Nambol Bamdiar defeated Hawk Babgai Kangkhut 20-9 to book a berth in the semi-finals. 12 Kangkhuts are taking part in the tournament organized by Kaisamthong Kang Cultural Organization at Kaisamthong Elambam Lekai Khabam Lakpa Mandop. Singjome Kangkhut will meet Klasa Kaino Kangkhut in the third quarter-final tomorrow. Taekwondo UTA unit is leading in the 29th Manipur State Taekwondo Championship and 12th Governors Taekwondo Cup of Manipur. In the sub-junior girls under 26, HTA units and Asha Kiran won gold, while UTA units and Rosie bagged the silver medal. In the sub-junior girls under 68 kg, NSA unit player and Helena won the gold medal. In the sub-junior boys under 18 kg, HTA unit player S. Tondonba and UTA player A. Lanchenba won gold and silver medal respectively. In sub-junior boys under 38 kg, PTA player and Robin and CTI player L. Sanatomba won gold and silver respectively. In senior men under 54 kg, Sai player L. Birjit won the gold medal, while in senior men under 80 kg, UTA unit player L. Rishikanta bagged medal. The championship is organized under the aegis of All Manipur Taekwondo Association at Kuman Lampak National Sports Academy Hall. 18 units comprising 274 male players and 140 female players are competing in the championship. that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. People's Convention on Inner Line Permit issue adopts 5 recommendations, including changing base year to 1951. Minister of State for External Affairs, retired General V.K. Singh honors state freedom fighters during Yaad Karo Kurbani celebration at Moirang. And MPP wants to file a PIL if government fails to give reasons for cancellation of 2013 DPC for recruitment of police constables.